See that fake cough? That cough must be contagious. You're making grandma cough.
I got your belly. Shut it off.
Okay, I'll put it off.
Uh-oh. We're gonna have to get some medicine for that cough. Huh? We're gonna have to get some medicine for that cough.
She's the camera shy, huh?
Nope. I think she knows what it is. That's how she is in the mornings. She'll just sit back in the back seat. She'll just jabber away. Talk to the little
Oh,
Rings.
the rings that are on top of her car seat.
Oh, you know you're on camera.